In this video, I'm going to discuss who needs a fractional COO. So there are plenty of scenarios where there is an operational need for leadership, but a company might not be ready or have the need for a full-time hire. So maybe your business is in the growth phase, right? It's doing well, you're bringing in business, revenue is coming in, you have a lot of clients, but things are a mess. Every day is a fire drill. Every day you're looking for where is this thing? Who is the client? What's going on? There's just a lot of mess going on. And so a fractional COO can come in and help get things organized and running smoothly. Another scenario might be you just have a big project you're working on, right? Maybe you're rolling out Slack to your legal team of 50 people. And so we would look at things like, why are you doing this? Is this the right tool? What tools are being replaced? Do you have change management, right? Is there a plan to have this change take place, hopefully seamlessly? Do you have key stakeholders involved? Do you have a plan to document the process and the protocols? Do you have a plan for onboarding, right? So new people come on, are they going to be able to get onto Slack and get on the channels that they need today, tomorrow, the next day? Or is it going to be 3 weeks and they still don't have a contact person, right? So that's another time where perhaps a company would need a fractional COO just to roll out a larger initiative. Another scenario could be you're a startup or you just purchased a business. And so as a startup, everything's fresh, of course. Perhaps you don't have the money for a full-time person or you haven't found the right fit. And so a fractional COO can come in and set up some of the foundations, get some of the strategies going. If you just bought a new business, right? So let's say there was an owner-operator, they own this thing for a long time. They either never documented any of their process or their processes are antiquated, right? They're talking about using fax machines in their process. That's another place where a fractional COO can come in, look at all the processes or create them from scratch, but hopefully modernize them, add some automation. Maybe there's AI, maybe there are things that can be eliminated. Maybe there's just a tool that costs $15 that will save you hours at a time. So those are some of the places and times that make sense to hire a fractional COO. Again, I hope this was helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you.